This is Database Management Systems Labs exercise number 8, trigger. So for this table, I've already created the tables that were necessary. And for the first question is create a trigger to check the validity of a course whose course code has to be a two-digit number, that is not less than 10 and not greater than 100. So I set server output on and before insert on course. For each row, when new dot course code is less than 10 or new course code is greater than 99, begin and raise application error number and now let go. Then we end. Now we'll insert into the table and check the insert into values So as you can see, we get the error message invalid code. Next question is to create a trigger which does not allow any DML operations over the inquiry table if the name of the student is student1. So trigger before, since it's DML operation, we can say before update or insert or delete on the inquiry table. Inquiry for each row. So begin if the new name is equal to student1, then can raise the error. So raise error number and the message, so invalid name, and then we end if and been created. Now we'll insert a value, so insert into inquiry. The name is student1. date and reference code. So as you can see, we get the error message invalid name. The next question is to create a trigger that allows no insert operation on fees paid table when the amount is less than 10,000. So we'll create new trigger. Drop the previous trigger. So drop to before insert on the fees table, so fees paid for each row begin. So if the new amount is less than 10,000, then we can raise you can give the message as not permitted, and then end the if statement and begin. So created the trigger. Now insert a value. This here. So insert into fees paid. September. New status paid less than 10,000. So we get the message not permitted. The next question is to create a trigger to ensure no insert operation to be allowed in an inquiry table when the inquiry date is about 25th August. So just so create trigger so before insert on query for each row begin. So if the new date inquiry date is greater than 25th August 17. Then raise application error. So raise error number, and we can say invalid date, and the if statement and the begin statement, the trigger. Now we'll insert into the table. So I'll change this date to 19. So as you can see, we get the error message invalid date. Next, we have to create a trigger which does not allow any update operation in an inquiry table when the old value of the update statement is not equal to the old value in the table. So create trigger 5 before update on inquiry for each row. So since we can allow update when the update values are the same as the previous value, so I'm going to put a condition for each of the attribute in the table. So when old dot query number is not the same as the new dot inquiry number, or old dot name new dot name, or old dot postcode new postcode, or old city, inquiry date, or reference. We can then erase an application errors. Application update not done. Then we end the begin statement and this creator. Now we'll insert a value. So update inquiry set name equal to I'll give the same name as the previous statements. So Anil. So set name equal to Anil, where name equal to so we can see that one row is updated. But if I do the same and I change the name, say Sunil, I get an error message that the update is not allowed. So the last question is to create a trigger to ensure that no insert operation to be allowed in a fees paid table when the average of the fees paid amount is above 50,000. So create and drop the previous trigger. Trigger. Fees paid. For each row, I'm declaring a variable, so declare average amount and type number, and okay. So first we'll select the average, select the average of amount and put it into average amount, the variable amount from fees paid. And then we will check if the variable average amount is greater than 50,000, then face application error. So you can see that insert not insert is not allowed. And if and can see the table so the average is right now around 26,000, so we should be allowed to insert. So insert into fees paid values. Count on HDFC paid, and I'll give a number of 10,000. So the update is permitted now. I'll increase the value. Now when I insert a value, so the average is become above 50,000. So when I insert, we're getting the message insert is not allowed. Thank you.